Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your checkout page on Wix. This is a crucial step in creating a seamless shopping experience for your customers, allowing you to tailor everything from the layout to the colors and text that appear during checkout. And if you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. This section gives you access to all the core settings for your website. Now, you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website where you want to customize your checkout page. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed the correct site, locate the Edit Site button at the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned next to a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the real customization begins. From here, locate the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This will open up a list of all the pages on your site. The Pages and Menu section will expand, showing you all available pages. From this list, select Cart Page. Once you've clicked on the cart page, you'll see the cart or checkout element displayed on your screen. Click directly on this element to select it. After selecting the checkout element, look for the Settings button and click on it. A small customization window will appear, giving you access to a range of options. Here, you can adjust what should be displayed on your checkout page by checking or unchecking various boxes. You can also adjust links and enable or disable the Express Checkout button by toggling the Show button on or off. Next, click on the Design tab within this customization window. This is where you can really make your checkout page reflect your brand. You'll be able to adjust the background and borders, change text and font colors, and customize button styles to match your site's overall aesthetic. But it doesn't stop there. You can also customize the actual text that appears on your checkout page. This includes everything from the page title to links, cart labels, promo code fields, disclaimers, and other important notes. Taking the time to personalize this text ensures your customers have a clear and branded experience from start to finish. And there you have it. Your checkout page is now customized to better serve your customers and reflect your brand identity. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.